In this video, I will be going over what are blind contour lines. What is blind contour drawing? If you haven't already watched what are contour lines, go ahead and click the link in the description to check that out. But without further ado, what is contour drawing? So, when we talk about contour drawing, that is the act or a line that describes a continuous path of drawing without looking at your paper. With that being said, what are the benefits of blind contour? Benefit number one, you will be able to improve your drawing abilities without having to focus your eyes on your paper while you draw. So you will be training yourself to essentially draw what's before you rather than trying to make things perfect on your paper, and which may lead to steering away from what you were initially trying to draw. Benefit number two, to improve your coordination between what your eyes are seeing and what your hand is doing on the paper. So it's kind of building a connection, a mental connection between what's before you and what you're physically doing. So it kind of helps with improving your drawing on what you see before you because of the coordination factor that plays a heavy role in doing exercises like blind contour drawing. As you practice your contour drawing, your blind contour drawing, make sure to do your best to not lift your pencil or your pen or whatever medium you're using to practice. As you go through this exercise, make sure to take your time, go slow, because that will create a more accurate look. Even though it might not look accurate, it'll be closer to what you're trying to achieve rather than get it going through a fast process and then it's just being completely off. In the next 3 drawings that I will be doing, I will be practicing blind contour drawings and sharing my process with you, or sharing the outcome with you guys. So if you haven't already started following my page, go ahead and do so. I appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll see you guys back here later. Have a good day. Have a great night wherever you're watching from. It's Amara signing off. Goodbye.